Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up the Play Store app on your device and sign into your account. After that, you want to come up to the top right-hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then, a new pop-up menu will open up. Simply, you want to access the Payments and Subscriptions feature, and a new menu will slide up. Inside it, you're going to see the option to redeem code. So, all you want to do is press onto the Redeem Code button and enter the code from your gift card to redeem that Google Play gift card. Now, if you do want to redeem a gift card from another country, the best advice I can give would be to use a VPN. You would basically install the VPN onto your device and select the country. So, what a VPN does is, it changes your location. So that's basically how you can redeem Google Play gift card from another country. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.